sign of pimple breakoutedness. I don't like you. I rebuke you. Fall back now. Fall back. Okay, we're not even gonna worry about it. This little thing, and then this one, that's okay. We gonna keep on moving. Anyway. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, all of my subs out there? And how y'all doing, newbies? And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, honey, maybe even for the third. We don't count such numbers around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subs and I want all of my noobs to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today, y'all know what tickety time it is. That's right. And hopefully you read the title of the video. So if those two boxes have been checked, then we all are on the same page and we know what's about to go down. Yes, that's right. We are about to, oh, my hair? Did you happen to notice anything different? So do you like? Oh, stop. No, don't stop. Oh, stop. Don't say it. No, tell me more. Oh, this old style. I'm glad you noticed. But we're going to get into that in a minute because today, this is the day where we check in on our hair. For those that are not initiated and are new around these parts, what we like to do is we like to check in about every 7 to 8 weeks because that's around the time that I actually relax my hair. So we like to check in, make sure everything is copacetic, make sure that everything is going well, make sure everything is tight and right and hanging and swinging. I think you get my drift. We like to check in and make sure that everything is on track. Then we give little updates as far as any new products or any new things that have come into the mix. And then we go ahead and give the benediction and get up out of here. Okay? So now that everybody is caught up on what is about to go down, we are about to commence with the telling. So let's commence to showing and the telling, okay? So first we're going to telling and the showing. Because first what we do around here, I'm going to tell you any new products that I've been using, anything that has been different as far as what I've been using to my hair, using on my hair. And as far as that's concerned, y'all know that I have my day ones, I have my regular degulars, I have my steady betties. And I haven't really deviated from that at all. But I will say, this time around, I didn't have to do a whole bunch of mixing and this and that as far as my relaxer is concerned. Because I was able to get my hands on my Precise, the Precise in mild. Finally. Now, for all those who are not initiated and are not in the know, the Ultra Precise comes in both mild, which is regular strength, as well as supreme. Now, I haven't been able to really find the mild version, for a long time. Sometimes I can catch it online on Amazon, but just as quickly as it comes online, it disappears, like it sells out. So I have been left to buying the supreme version. And what I do is, as far as the activator, instead of using all of the activator, I use half of the bottle. That way I can sort of match the strength of the mild. But I did see this pop up online on Amazon, and I figured I'd roll the dice and just grab it. And I thought it would be just as easy as that, but no ma'am. So long story short, because I always got a story with something going on around here. I ordered it, and I ordered 2 boxes. And only 1 box came. So I said, well, where's the other box? So I had to contact the vendor, and they basically said, well, this is a twin pack. So basically you got your 2 relaxers. And I said, no, au contraire, mon frere. This normally comes in a twin pack. But I ordered 2 boxes of the twin pack. So 2 twin packs. So after, going back and forth in a little message section of Amazon, they are now sending me the second box. and hopefully I get that today. But anyway, so just to catch y'all up, yes, I was able to actually use the mild this time on my hair. And yeah, I think everything went pretty well. Now, I did wear a baseball cap earlier in the week, and I think that sort of rubbed against my widow's peak when I was taking it on and off. So I have a slight little boo-boo right here. But other than that, everything went well. Again, I didn't use any other new products, and this should last me for about, well, now 3 more applications, so that's good. And like I said, I relax my hair every 7 to 8 weeks. And so yeah, I should be pretty good. And so yeah, I'm excited about that. Okay, so now that we had the hors d'oeuvres and now that we had the little finger foods, now we are going to get down and get to the entree and the meat and potatoes, which is basically what I like to do is I like to show you my hair, and that way we keep abreast of, again, the state of it. We don't really focus in on the length too much because I did already reach my hair length goals. And we just decided on my bangs, which we'll talk about later. So we also reached those particular goals. So it's more so just to give you the full picture, the full panoramic view, if you will, of my do. And then we'll be through with that part of the video too. So without any further ado, without any further delay, I am going to turn around and show you what I'm working with today. So if you're ready, I'm ready, which means we're ready. So let's go. Okay, guys, so I think we're doing very well. We're doing very well. My hair feels good. You guys know that I always do a trim when I relax. So I trimmed my hair. I didn't have to really trim that much. I really didn't. So it's pretty conservative with the whole trimming thing. And yeah, I like how everything came out. I feel like a shiny new penny, if you will. Speaking of new style. That's what we're getting to. DD is now in her FFE, which is Farrah Fawcett era. Honey, it has begun. It has officially begun. I am now in my Farrah Fawcett 70s supermodel, whatever you want to call it, era, and I am loving it. Now, of course, when I decided to start my era and wear my hair split down the middle and sort of have my bangs long and all like that and expose my forehead, because usually I wear my bangs and y'all don't see nothing. I could have a whole bunch of nonsense going on and y'all would be none the wiser. But now I have to be more cognizant of my skin and that area. And of course, in me saying that, as soon as I decided to wear it like this, that's when I had to break out on my forehead, and all chaos and mass confusion broke out. So I got a 1 and a 2 and something over here, but that's okay. The devil is a liar. We are going to work right through it, and that's not going to even stop me. No, ma'am. So the forehead is on display, and not only that, I want y'all to see the color. Now, y'all know that, well, some of you guys don't know. I have been using the Clairol Beautiful Toasted Hazelnut, and I sort of used it all over because, I got a couple of grays, but we like to call them storm highlights around these parts. So my storm highlights were storming away. So I used the toasted hazelnut on my hair. And I told you guys that on the grays, after maybe a wash or two, it becomes more blonde. So for all those who didn't believe me or couldn't see it in the last video, I want you to look at the blonde, look at the blonde, look at the blonde. Look at the blonde, okay? So don't mind the storm highlight right there. Well, the stormy root right there. I want y'all to look at the blonde is sort of cascading down this way and this way. And see, with this particular style, it will definitely highlight the highlights that I now have in my hair. And again, I wish y'all could see it in person, because I'm sure some of it is lost on camera. So right here and right here and right here, honey, the blonde is coming through. It is coming through for DD, and I am loving it. I didn't have to use any peroxide. I didn't have to lighten. I didn't have to, honey, I threw that color on there, and my storm highlights just took to it, And like I said, after a couple of washes, it just lightened up. So I'm really loving the color overall. And I'll probably do a touch-up, which will just be on my roots. I don't know if I'm going to do it all over, all over my head. But I'll probably just do the roots because I love the color. I love where it is now. So there's that. I'll probably do that maybe in about a week or 2 weeks or something like that. But we shall see. Yes. But I rebuke this breakout demon in his holy name that we're not messing with that. This is all going to clear up. So I'm not even going to worry about that. I just wanted y'all to see the blonde. I wanted y'all to see the blonde so y'all can really see what I'm talking about, what I'm working with. So I'm pretty happy. And like I said, this time around, I just wrapped my hair up. I just curled it under and wrapped it up. But as time goes by, maybe for the next video or not, I don't want to give any promises, but I'm going to start flipping or curling it backwards. And that way it looks really full and you get the full FFE or the Farrah Fawcett effect. But I like what we're working with right now. I really do. Again, a little change here and there is very good. We're going into the new year. So along with the longer bangs, I just wanted to try something new. You know what I mean? And it's not really new because we sort of did it before. But now that my bangs are longer, it's semi-new. You know what I mean? It's a new spin on something that I've already done before. So I'm excited. I feel good. I feel happy. I feel like I feel like my hair is really coming into its own, if that makes any sense. I'm loving the versatility. I'm loving being able to, try different things. And if I don't like it, Just like with the color, the first iteration of color that I did, I was like, I was sort of vacillating on, how I felt about it. But no biggie, I just tried another color and then that worked out. And then even growing out my bangs, I wasn't particularly sure. And then, as a lot of people know, when you grow out a particular hairstyle or haircut, you have those awkward stages where you don't feel like you look too good, so you have to mess around with it a little bit more. But you guys encouraged me to grow them to a certain length because we were at cheek. So now we're pretty much mid cheek. And yeah, I think that's the sweet spot, So I want to look at y'all changing hair lives and everything. So with y'all's encouragement, I was able to grow my bangs to mid cheek, and yeah, I'm very happy about that as well. So we're doing some things, and I really feel positive. I feel happy. Now I'm still gonna wear my hair to the side, with the bangs and this and that. But again, this is just another look, as they say in the fashion streets. Just a new look, so that, just to add to my whole repertoire of looks. So there is that. So with that being said, I am done with the telling and the showing and the showing and the telling. I think I'm pretty much done on my behalf. But wait, there's more. You guys know that it's not all about me. No, ma'am, it never is. I am now going to pass the mic to all of y'all. And we're going to have an open call. Yes, an open call for all those who would like to share what is now going on with your hair. So for all those who are ready, because I'm ready, and if you're ready, then that means we're all ready for the time of the program that a lot of us have been waiting for. Say it with me. It is now roll. Yes, honey. Tap Tammy on the shoulder and grab Mama and them, bring them into the room, and have everybody and anybody that wants to participate and just spill the beans on what's going on in their hair life. We just stick in the hair life, okay? Nothing personal. But hair life, then please grab the mic and share away. Have you tried anything old? Have you tried anything new? You're now going to a hairstylist because you just can't be bothered anymore. Have you flipped the switch and gone natural? Or have you decided to go from natural to relax? Honey, anybody and everybody with their hair story, all is welcome. I would love to, if you'd like to share it, I sure would like to hear it. Now, there are some of those who don't want to make a peep and just don't want to participate. But that's okay. We don't mind a couple of looky-loos here and there. But for all those who want to shout to the mountaintop about what is going on with you, then please come through and grab the mic and do what you do. Okay? So while we are waiting for those to come to the front of the congregation, honey, we are about to give the benediction because I think we're all caught up. What do you think? I think we are, honey. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to give the benediction. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, I need y'all to come back on in here because we got some more stuff to talk about. So you got to come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.